China is shaping the future of transportation in remarkable ways. From trains that seem to float to cars that can fly, they're using cutting-edge magnetic technology and innovative ideas to defy gravity and revolutionize travel. However, introducing these futuristic methods has stunned the United States. Could this be the beginning of a new age? Or is science fiction becoming reality? Join us as we explore these amazing breakthroughs that could reshape our world forever. Shane two-wheeler electric car. The creator of the hoverboard in China has introduced an exciting new invention called Shane, a two-wheeled vehicle designed for the future. Shane has a sleek, modern design, and its compact size is similar to a small SUV. This electric vehicle can spin a full 360 degrees, turning in place without moving forward or backward. Despite its ability to turn so sharply, Shane stays balanced because its center of gravity is perfectly aligned with its wheels. This clever design ensures it remains stable, even when speeding up or slowing down quickly. One of the standout features of Shane is its 60-inch wheels, which are both bold and functional. Shane is an electric vehicle that can fit up to 5 passengers, and it has the feel of a supersized hoverboard. Shane stands out from traditional vehicles because it doesn't use a steering wheel. Instead, it changes direction by adjusting the power and speed of each wheel, which makes it possible to turn on a dime. This feature makes tasks like parallel parking a breeze. Additionally, the vehicle's unique design allows its body to move almost independently from the wheels, helping it glide smoothly over bumps and reducing the impact on passengers, even on rough terrain. But if you think this is the most amazing, then wait to see what's coming next. GAC Gove. At the 2023 GAC Science and Technology Day press conference in Guangzhou, China, the Gove VE flying car from GAC Group was revealed for the first time. This flying car is the first real one that can switch between flying in the air and driving on the ground, marking a big step forward for flying cars in China. GAC Group has big plans for the future, aiming to provide a variety of transportation options such as electric air taxis and ride-hailing services, according to Wu Jian, the president of GAC Research Institute, during the event. The Gove VE flying car has a unique design where the flight cabin and chassis can be easily separated or joined together. This flexibility makes it possible to switch between flying and driving modes with ease, adapting between an airplane and a car. Gove is a flying car designed for 2 people. It can take off and land vertically and run on electricity. Its smart design includes a backup rotor system and a separate body that allows it to switch quickly between flying and driving modes. This makes it easy to go from flying in the air to driving on the ground. Gove can carry up to 500 kilograms of weight, travel at speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour, cover distances of up to 200 kilometers, and reach altitudes of up to 3,000 meters. The car can comfortably fit 2 passengers. It also has an advanced driving assistance system that helps with automatic takeoffs and landings, avoiding obstacles and self-navigation, making the journey in Gove safe, easy, and enjoyable. The flight cabin is a key part of the aircraft, providing space for passengers and important equipment, while also handling different forces and temperature changes during flight. Because of this, choosing the right materials and manufacturing methods is essential for the aircraft's performance and safety. One important material used in the flight cabin is carbon fiber composite. This material is made from carbon fibers and a resin that holds them together. It's known for being strong but light, rust-resistant, and able to handle high temperatures. These qualities help the flight cabin withstand the challenges of flight and temperature changes, making it a top choice for aerospace use. For instance, Tuanyuan's flight cabin is made of 90% carbon fiber composite, making it about a quarter of the weight of traditional metal cabins. Additionally, GAC has added new technology to make the flight greener and more efficient. Their 3-electric system improves both the environmental friendliness and power of the aircraft. For precise landing, they use the latest aerospace technology, allowing the flight cabin to dock accurately with its chassis when it lands. Xpeng X3. On June 3, 2022, Car News China reported that Xpeng Aero HT unveiled a new flying car known as the X3. This vehicle, still in its prototype phase, is designed to both fly and drive. Details about this innovative car were revealed through XPeng Aero HT's patent filings in China. The X3 is a hybrid electric VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing vehicle, marking it as the sixth generation of flying cars. By June 25, 2022, reports surfaced that XPeng Aero HT was secretly testing the car on the streets of Chongqing, a bustling city in southwest China. The X3 is built to carry 2 passengers and is a full-scale model that demonstrates the most advanced flying car technology yet. However, there's still some mystery surrounding how the car operates. It's unclear whether it can be flown manually or controlled remotely. While the front windshield is clear, the side windows are covered with an opaque material, hiding more of its interior. When the X3 was first revealed, there was very little information about its performance, such as how fast it could fly, its range, or how long it could stay airborne. This groundbreaking technology features 8 large propellers mounted on 4 arms. Each arm has 2 propellers at its ends, and these propellers are impressively long, measuring between 6 and 7 feet. These propellers are powered by electric motors, and the motors draw their energy from large battery packs. The X3 has sturdy, open-framed supports for the propellers, positioned just behind the windshield at the front and at the rear of the vehicle. A central support beam runs the length of the car, with Y-shaped beams at both ends to add extra strength to the frames holding the front and rear propellers. The arms that hold the propellers are fixed, meaning they don't fold in or out. For land travel, the car has 4 road tires, with either 2 or all 4 powered by electric motors. And just when you think this innovation couldn't get any interesting, this next discovery proves even more fascinating. T-Flight. China has just unveiled an incredible new train that zooms along at an astonishing 400 miles per hour, nearly as fast as a jet. Developed by researchers at Southwest Jiaotong University, this groundbreaking train could soon be matching the speed of planes. Meet the T-Flight, a futuristic train that's far from ordinary. It's a maglev, magnetic levitation marvel that recently broke records, reaching a mind-blowing 387 miles per hour on a test track. And this is just the beginning. Engineers are working to push this train to even higher speeds, possibly making it faster than some aircraft. What makes T-Flight so special is its use of maglev technology. The train floats about 4 inches above the track, thanks to powerful magnets that eliminate friction and allow it to glide effortlessly at high speeds. Magnets in front of the train create a magnetic field that pulls it forward, helping it achieve these incredible speeds. Unlike regular trains, which rely on wheels that grind against tracks, creating friction and slowing them down, the T-Flight doesn't touch the track at all. This lack of physical contact eliminates the usual wear and tear, allowing it to move faster and smoother. Engineers are working to double the speed of passenger travel, making long-distance trips quicker and daily commutes more efficient. BYD Yang Wang U8. China has unveiled the world's first floating SUV, the BYD Yang Wang U8, which has become the most expensive mass-produced electric vehicle in China, priced at around $5,000. This cutting-edge SUV features a special hydraulic system that can lift or lower the car by up to 150 millimeters. It also boasts a tank turn function, allowing it to spin in a complete circle without moving forward or backward. A new video from Yamlong Motors reveals a life-saving emergency flotation feature. This allows the U8 to float and move on water when needed. By activating the water crossing mode on the screen, sensors monitor the water's depth and the vehicle's position. If floating becomes necessary, the system automatically activates. In emergencies, if the U8 ends up in deep water, it can keep the inside mostly dry for up to 30 minutes, moving and steering during that time. This feature greatly improves safety, helping passengers avoid being trapped inside. The vehicle's design reduces water entry, increasing the chances of survival and making it easier for rescuers to reach the occupants. Even while floating, the U8's electronic components continue to work, and the sunroof can still open, preventing passengers from being trapped by stuck windows. The U8 uses passive trigger technology to activate flotation mode. The engine turns off, the suspension rises, the windows seal, the air conditioning switches to recirculate, and the fans adjust to ensure better sealing. The sunroof opens for an emergency exit, and the screen shows water depth and vehicle position. The U8 can stay afloat for up to 30 minutes, move at 3 km per hour, and won't sink. This spacious SUV measures 5,319 mm long, 2,050 mm wide, and 1,930 mm high, with a 3,050 mm wheelbase. Inside, it features 5 large screens, luxurious Napa leather seats, and a 3-layer laminated glass sunroof for added comfort. Under the hood, the U8 has a 4-wheel drive system powered by 4 motors and a 2.0T engine to extend the range. Each motor produces between 220 and 240 kilowatts, with torque ranging from 320 to 420 Newton meters, totaling 1,197 horsepower. The vehicle is equipped with Yusufeng blade batteries, offering a range of over 1,000 kilometers. It includes over 17 driving modes, infrared thermal imaging, and an onboard satellite phone, making it an incredibly capable off-road vehicle. Now, as we move further, an even astonishing technology awaits us: NIO ET9. The Chinese electric vehicle company NIO has just introduced its latest car, the ET9. This luxury sedan has a long wheelbase and is loaded with the latest technology. A standout feature is its self-driving chip, developed by NIO itself, which is the first in China's automotive industry to use advanced 5-nanometer process technology. The ET9 competes with high-end sedans like the Mercedes-Benz Maybach and Porsche Panamera. It comes with special features, such as a lightweight chassis system and a quick-charging battery pack, showing NIO's dedication to changing the luxury car market. The design of the ET9 is similar to the NIO EC7, an electric crossover coupe, but the ET9 is smaller and designed as a sedan with a smooth coupe-style roof. The front has a closed grille, typical for electric cars, with LED lights arranged neatly in a black trapezoidal frame. The car also has hidden door handles, frameless windows, a rear spoiler that moves, and large 23-inch wheels. The trunk can be opened and closed without touching, making it easier to use. The ET9 measures 5,324 mm in length, 2,160 mm in width, and 1,620 mm in height, with a wheelbase of 3,250 mm. The 23-inch wheels have non-moving center caps that always show the NIO logo. The rear of the car features a jet-inspired spoiler. Inside, the ET9 offers a luxurious experience with several LCD screens. The main screen is 15.6 inches, and each rear passenger has a 14.6-inch screen. There's also an 8-inch screen in the back console for convenience. The car has digital rear-view mirrors and a 4-seat layout. The rear seats are like first-class airplane seats, able to adjust backrests up to 45 degrees for comfort. There are also folding tables and a mini fridge for added convenience. For performance, the ET9 has 2 electric motors, a front motor with 241 horsepower and a rear motor with 456 horsepower, giving a total of 697 horsepower. Built on NIO's 3rd-generation platform, the ET9 uses a 900-volt system with a peak power of 600 kilowatts and a peak current of 765 amps. This allows the battery to charge quickly, adding 255 kilometers of range with just a 5-minute charge. Like other NIO cars, the ET9 supports a full battery swap in just 3 minutes. For safety and tech, the ET9 has 3 LiDAR sensors and 2 high-definition cameras mounted on the roof's front edge, along with digital rear-view mirrors. The ET9 will be delivered starting in the first quarter of 2025. Sky Maglev train. China has introduced an amazing new type of train, the world's first suspended maglev train that floats in the air using powerful neodymium magnets. What makes it truly fascinating is that it doesn't need constant electricity to stay afloat. Unlike regular maglev trains that glide on tracks close to the ground, this futuristic sky train hovers about 10 meters above the ground, giving passengers a unique and thrilling travel experience. The train can reach speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour, And thanks to cutting-edge technology developed by scientists at Jiangxi University of Science and Technology, it operates with almost no friction. This means it needs only a tiny amount of electricity to move, making it incredibly energy efficient. What's more, the train emits very little electromagnetic radiation, making it safer for both people and the environment. Building this suspended maglev train is surprisingly affordable, costing just a fraction, about 1/10, of what it takes to construct a traditional subway system. Local authorities have already announced plans to expand the track to 7.5 kilometers after successful trial runs, allowing the train to reach even faster speeds of up to 120 kilometers per hour. This revolutionary project could transform urban transportation as we know it. It's fast, eco-friendly, and efficient, offering a glimpse into the future of how we might travel in cities around the world. Land maglev train. The Shanghai maglev train is a great example of a land maglev train, traveling at an impressive 270 miles per hour, making it the fastest commercial train in the world. It connects Shanghai with Pudong International Airport, covering the 18-mile journey in just 7 minutes and 30 seconds. However, this speed is still far from the maximum potential of rail travel. A prototype train in Japan can reach an incredible 374 miles per hour. The key to this speed is magnets. These trains use a technology called maglev, or magnetic levitation, where magnets lift, move, and steer the train above the track. Unlike regular trains that experience friction between wheels and rails, maglev trains float above the track, eliminating friction and only facing air resistance as a limit to their speed. The magnets used in maglev trains are special, very powerful electromagnets that help achieve these high speeds. While the Shanghai maglev is extremely fast compared to most high-speed trains, it's not the fastest type of maglev train. Another technology called electrodynamic suspension, EDS, can go even faster. This is possible because EDS trains use superconductive electromagnets that are kept very cold. The cold helps the magnets conduct electricity more efficiently, making the train go faster. These superconducting magnets are cooled with liquid helium to keep them strong. The track, called the guideway, has 2 layers of magnets. The lower layer has coils shaped like a figure 8, with the same magnetic poles as the train's magnets on the bottom part and opposite poles on the upper part. This creates a push-pull force that lifts the train about 4 inches above the track. To move the train at high speeds, another set of magnets pushes it forward by switching their magnetic poles. The train's speed can be controlled by adjusting how often these magnets change poles. Unlike traditional systems where the train just floats, maglev trains use wheels to help them gain speed until they can hover. XPeng X2. On June 16, 2024, XPeng Aero HT made waves at the China Langfang International Economic and Trade Fair by unveiling its latest innovation, the X2, a flying car. This remarkable vehicle is the 5th generation of XPeng Aero HT's flying car lineup, showcasing the latest advancements in aviation technology. The XPeng X2 is an electric vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) vehicle designed with a sleek teardrop shape to optimize aerodynamics and ensure top flight performance. Its futuristic look isn't just for show, it plays a crucial role in its efficiency. The X2 is built with the latest technology to keep it light and strong. Its inner frame is made from aerospace-grade aluminum, while the outer shell is constructed from carbon fiber, making it both durable and lightweight. This 2-seater flying car is primarily intended as an air taxi for urban areas, perfect for short city flights, sightseeing tours, or even medical transport. As an eco-friendly all-electric vehicle, the X2 doesn't release carbon dioxide, contributing to cleaner, less polluted cities. One of the most exciting features of the X2 is its ability to fly both manually or autonomously. In its air taxi mode, the car's autonomous system takes care of everything, from takeoff to travel and landing. Passengers simply press a button, set their destination, and let the onboard system handle the journey, allowing for a relaxing, hands-free ride. Inside, the X2 offers a premium flying experience. The cockpit is designed for comfort, with one of the widest views available, and its controls are simple and intuitive. A large floating display is also a standout feature, ensuring passengers are both informed and entertained during their flight. The X2 has an impressive maximum takeoff weight of 760 kilograms, with a cargo capacity of up to 200 kilograms. Powered by 4 battery packs, the car uses 8 electric motors that are connected to counter-rotating propellers, providing a smooth, efficient ride. With enough power for about 35 minutes of flight, the X2 can reach speeds of up to 130 kilometers per hour, making it a practical and fast mode of transportation for the city skies. Safety is a top priority for Xpeng Aero HT. The X2 is equipped with a multi-redundant system, which ensures that even if some of its rotors fail, the vehicle can continue flying or safely land. It also features an automatic ballistic parachute that deploys in emergencies, further enhancing its safety features. The vehicle is constantly monitored by a network of sensors, radars, and cameras, which send real-time data to the onboard flight computer and can communicate with a monitoring center on the ground. Which of these fascinating new generation transport by China did you find the most intriguing? Let us know your answer in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe.